How to find all accounts linked to my email address. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find it. If you're using your Android phone, first of all go to the setting option. Scroll down up until you see the very option of Google. And after loading, it will show you an interface like this. Now tap on manage your Google account. Now scroll on the left side and tap on the very security option. Now you need to scroll down and you need to search for the very option of third-party apps. So you can see your connections to third-party applications. Just tap on see all the connections. Now when you tap on each application and see, then you will find there is sign in with Google. So if you can see it is signed in with Google or not by just tapping and seeing the more informations right there. Now if you want to remove the access of this very application, just tap here. And then you can just tap on the delete all connections that you have with Alibaba or any other applications that you want to delete which is connected with your Googles. By just tapping there, you can see all the informations. So this is how you can see and also remove the connections with your Gmail account. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.